Wait. Don't scroll. Here's today's mysterious animal story. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, explorers keep reporting the same chilling event. Every night at exactly 2:17 a.m., a sharp, ghostly whistle echoes through the jungle. No bird in sight, no movement, just the sound. Locals call it the spirit bird. But here's where it gets truly strange. Scientists finally analyzed the recording and discovered something unbelievable. The whistle perfectly matches the call of the Aurelia night whistler, a rare Amazon bird that supposedly went extinct 50 years ago. But how? Is the night whistler still alive, hiding in untouched parts of the forest? Is it an unknown survivor, or something entirely new? No one has ever seen it. No one has ever tracked it. Only the whistle remains, echoing through the dark Amazon night. So if you ever hear a lonely whistle at 2:17 a.m., don't follow it.